Changing key fob batteries is just one of those things you got to do. 2017 X3 F25 series, this particular type of key fob. Here, let's do it. So the first thing you got to do is get the key out of the thing and avoid the 20,000 different keychains of Zumba and whatnot. And then you're going to see this hole right here. It's just big enough for this key to go in. Push it in. Give her a pry, and then you just got to wrestle this thing out of here. Depending on how long it's been since this has been opened, you may have to have a screwdriver or something to help you get a hold. Done with the 7,000 keychains there. Voila, that's it. So that is ye old CR2450 battery, and I got replacements on Fleabay for I think I got a 2-pack for less than $2. I'm sure, you know, legit Panasonic from made out of Chinesium. Okay. And bada bing, bada bang. And we got the power back, and that, my friends, is that. No coating necessary, no crazy stuff with BMW for once on this kind of a key fob. So if you're getting the key fob battery low error message on your iDrive, relax. $2, maybe a screwdriver, and you're back in business.